Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode. And of course, it's the Weekly Mouse Investor, and we are having a deep dive into Carnival Corporation. They just recently announced their earnings, which they beat in both earnings and revenue. So, of course, good things for the company to see that they're actually doing record of making money, but of course reducing their debt. However, due to the tariffs, the stock did get beaten up by 4% yesterday. Of course, I recorded this on Saturday, the day after earnings. Now, what if I told you that Carnival is still undervalued, in my opinion? And of course, as you can also check out online. So I'm going to try and break down why I believe this has huge upside potential still, despite what's going on in the world. So, as you can see, the travel boom is back. Carnival Cruises in success record bookings and strong Q4 earnings. So, of course, this was the last earnings report, but the one that's just gone as well, it basically beats that milestone and actually made more money than ever. So, as you can see, making record bookings and making 25 billion revenue milestone. So, of course, in my eyes, that means the travel industry is booming. So, you know, last year it earned 5.9 billion. That's a 10% increase from 2023. So they're even expecting this year and 2026 to be at full capacity, which is good to see in terms of a travel stock and for Carnival Corporation. As you can see, the financials are improving. I did make this PowerPoint a few days before the earnings, so it only has 2024's. But as you can see, the debt level is coming down, the earnings revenue is going up. So, financial health is on the rise. They're achieving a net income of $303 million, which is a good turnaround from the 48 million loss in 2023. So, in my eyes, the financial rebound is happening. It's making it sustained growth. And to me, that's an attractive investment in my eyes. Now, as I said about is Carnival undervalued? Now, before the pandemic, it was trading around $50 a share. Now, it's in the $15 to $20 range. So, doing the calculations, also making sure through using people that already do it, like Alpha Spread that I love to use, I could already see the base case scenario is it's undervalued by 44%. Now, worst case scenario, it's still undervalued by nearly 20%. So, it's still undervalued. If from my eyes, from my calculations, with the margin of safety as well, 10%, and as well as on Alpha Spread, it's saying me the same, pretty much the same thing. So to me, that shows that if the company keeps doing these right tracks, keeps actually improving its financial health, reducing its debt, keeping the bookings high for the cruises, it should hopefully return to those levels. So, if there is, the financial recovery continues, the stock price appreciation there's loads of room for that to grow and grow. Now, as you can see, new ships and future growth. So 16 cruise ships that are on order or under construction that will debut this year. So at the minute, it has 27 ships in its fleet, which is more than any cruise line in the world. So it's not just recovering, it's also investing. So the company is also set to launch the state-of-art ships with eco-friendly technology such as LNG-powered engines, which apparently reduces the carbon footprint, which everyone loves to know these days. But these advancements are expected to attract a broader customer base and drive future growth, according to analysts. So, in my eyes, I don't really mind about carbon footprint as long as the company's making money, reducing its debt, and showing that it can sustain in the nowadays world. That's fine by me. The eco side, yeah, I would love the company to be eco as much as it can, but let's be realistic. It's a travel company. There are ships. They travel around the world. There's going to be a carbon footprint somewhere, and you can't really remove it completely. So, to me, if the financials are working well, I'm happy with that. Now, what do you guys think? Are you bullish on CCL? Are you invested in CCL? Have you got it in its portfolio? Is it on your watch list? Now, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do like this type of content to deep dive, then of course drop a like and subscribe more for so you don't miss out on the content, and it shows to me that you're supporting the channel and you like this content that I'm making. If you want to, put also in the comments any feedback on how you want to see these videos go and how you want me to try and style them. At the minute, I know I'm trying to use PowerPoints, but if you want to see more of this and you want to see our investment journey grow, then of course put down in the comments below and leave a like. Of course, I'm not an investment analyst. I'm not an experienced investor, so don't jump straight into my stocks. I recommend not to do your own research. It's only a guidance of what I feel like, in my own view, is why I'm investing into this stock. So whatever I say, don't take for granted. Of course, previous results also just a future don't happen in the future. So of course, just please do your own research. There is a disclaimer will be in the description as well. But hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you next time.